discussion 3.2. Um, so some overview is I'm going to cover is how trained employees and people with experience help businesses thrive. And I mean, it kind of just speaks for itself. I feel like if you if you hire people that are trained already, that are experienced, that know what they're doing, they're gonna help bring more money to the table. They're gonna they're gonna help in a bunch of different ways. If you can't find ideas on how to do things, they're gonna help you with those. Meetings. Training your employees, having meetings, all of these, they help grow you as a team and help grow people in general in an organization. I've gained a lot from these seminars. I learned a lot from Nancy Durate, and also telling a story. I've learned a lot on how to tell a story, and I think it's helped me a lot within trying to do this project. Thank you.